Which plane divides the body into anterior and posterior sections? Sagittal plane, frontal plane, or transverse plane? Frontal plane. What plane cuts the body into superior and inferior parts? Coronal, sagittal, or transverse? Transverse. If a surgeon makes a cut parallel to the ground, which plane is being used? Mid-sagittal, sagittal, or transverse? Transverse. Which plane runs vertically but does not necessarily divide the body into equal halves? Mid-sagittal, parasagittal, or transverse? Parasagittal. The parasagittal plane refers to any vertical plane that divides the body into unequal left and right sections. If a CT scan is taken horizontally through the abdomen, which plane is used? Frontal, sagittal, or transverse? Transverse plane. It is the only plane that runs horizontally and divides the body into upper and lower sections. The triceps are where in relation to the biceps? Posterior, inferior, or anterior? Posterior. The patella is located where in relation to the knee joint? Anterior, superior, or proximal? Anterior. The nose is located where in relation to the mouth? Proximal, distal, or superior? Superior. The lungs are located where in relation to the liver? Medial, superior, or lateral? Superior. The scaphoid lies in which row of carpal bones? Lateral, proximal, or distal? Proximal. The spleen is located where in relation to the colon? Lateral, anterior, or superior? Superior. The brachial artery lies where in relation to the biceps tendon? Inferior, medial, or proximal? Medial. However, proximal could also be true, if you are thinking about nearness to the torso as center of the body. But it doesn't specify the relationship between the artery and the tendon as precisely as medial does. An MRI scan taken from the front, showing both eyes and the full face, is in which plane? Frontal, coronal, or transverse? Coronal. The coronal plane divides the body into anterior and posterior sections. A front-facing MRI image, showing both eyes and the face aligns with this definition. However, note that MRI scans can be taken in transverse, coronal, or sagittal planes. A chest X-ray taken from the front of the body is captured in which anatomical plane? Coronal, sagittal, or transverse? Coronal. A chest X-ray taken from the front or anterior view, captures the body in the coronal or frontal plane, dividing it into front and back sections.